As an AI language model, ChatGPT-4 does not have plugins, in the traditional sense, but it can integrate with various software and platforms to enable its use in different applications. Here are some possible integrations and tools that can be used alongside ChatGPT-4. Chatbot platforms. ChatGPT-4 can be integrated with various chatbot platforms such as Dialogflow, Microsoft Bot Framework, and IBM Watson Assistant to build conversational interfaces for different purposes. These platforms provide a graphical user interface for building chatbots that can understand natural language input and generate responses based on predefined rules, machine learning models, or external APIs. By integrating ChatGPT-4 with these platforms, developers can leverage its natural language processing capabilities to improve the accuracy and fluency of the chatbot's responses. Natural language processing, NLP, libraries. ChatGPT-4 can work with various NLP libraries such as Spacy, NLTK, and Core NLP to perform text analysis and extraction of relevant information. These libraries provide a range of tools for tokenization, part-of-speech tagging, entity recognition, and other tasks that are essential for understanding and processing natural language. By integrating with these libraries, ChatGPT-4 can enhance its ability to understand and generate natural language text. Voice assistants. ChatGPT-4 can be used to build voice assistants that can interact with users through voice commands. Integrating it with tools such as Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant can enable such functionality. Voice assistants typically use automatic speech recognition, ASR, to transcribe the user's spoken input and then use natural language understanding, NLU, to interpret it and generate a response. By integrating with ChatGPT-4, voice assistants can leverage its natural language generation capabilities to generate more natural and engaging responses. Text-to-speech and speech-to-text tools. ChatGPT-4 can be integrated with text-to-speech and speech-to-text tools such as Google Cloud Text-to-Speech and Speech Recognition to allow users to interact with it through spoken language. These tools provide a way to convert between spoken and written language, which is essential for building conversational interfaces that can understand and generate speech. By integrating with these tools, ChatGPT-4 can expand its capabilities to include speech-based interaction. If you like our content and want to stay updated with the latest tech news, please subscribe. Chat platforms. ChatGPT-4 can be integrated with popular chat platforms such as Facebook Messenger, Slack, and WhatsApp to enable conversational experiences on those platforms. These platforms provide a way to reach users where they already are and offer a familiar and convenient interface for chat-based interaction. By integrating with these platforms, ChatGPT-4 can provide a seamless conversational experience that feels natural and engaging to users. Recommendation systems. ChatGPT-4 can be integrated with recommendation systems to generate personalized recommendations for users based on their preferences and behavior. By analyzing user data and interactions, the recommendation system can generate a list of relevant items or actions that the user might be interested in. By integrating ChatGPT-4 with the recommendation system, the system can provide natural language explanations for why a particular recommendation is being made. Customer service chatbots. ChatGPT-4 can be integrated with customer service chatbots to provide more natural and engaging interactions between customers and businesses. By using ChatGPT-4's natural language processing and generation capabilities, the chatbot can understand customer inquiries and generate responses that are more informative and human-like. This can help to improve customer satisfaction and reduce the workload for human customer service representatives. Content creation. ChatGPT-4 can be used to generate high-quality content for a variety of purposes, such as blog posts, social media posts, and product descriptions. By integrating ChatGPT-4 with content creation tools, marketers and content creators can leverage its natural language generation capabilities to quickly generate content that is informative, engaging, and optimized for SEO. Educational platforms. ChatGPT-4 can be integrated with educational platforms to provide more personalized and engaging learning experiences for students. By analyzing student data and interactions, the platform can generate personalized recommendations for learning materials and activities. By integrating ChatGPT-4 with the platform, it can provide natural language explanations for complex concepts and help students to better understand the material. Virtual assistants. ChatGPT-4 can be used to build virtual assistants that can perform a wide range of tasks, such as scheduling appointments, setting reminders, and answering questions. By integrating with voice assistants and other natural language processing tools, ChatGPT-4 can enable users to interact with the virtual assistant using natural language commands and queries. This can help to improve productivity and reduce the cognitive load of performing routine tasks. Overall, these integrations and tools offer a range of ways to use ChatGPT-4 for different applications and use cases, from building chatbots and voice assistants to improving the accuracy and fluency of natural language processing and generation. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.